So, they're very lucky now. Now, napapansin ko mas madami ng singer-songwriters and they're doing very, very well. I-upload lang nila yan, nagandahan lang yung kanilang followers, nagiging automatic million views yun. No? So, I think they got it more than kami, inaaral ko pa hanggang ngayon. No? So, maswerte sila as long as they believe in themselves and yun na nga, they're very talented at nagustuhan ng followers nila at ng mga tao. Bago nga maging followers, kailangan umingay muna sila, di ba? Tapos nag-click sila, ang dami-dami nilang views. So, parang mas alam nila yung formula. So, I feel they're very, very lucky. And sila pa nga ngayon yung nagta-travel rin. They get to do a lot of shows outside the country. Dati, bago ma-notice, di ba? Parang it's such a big deal to make it internationally. Ngayon, parang mas madali na dahil ang dami ng ways to be noticed and to get there. As long as, again, you have the courage and the artistry